Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert Excel to CSV file. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first method you can try is to convert an Excel file into CSV format is by using Excel's built-in Save As feature. To do this, open your Excel file. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Choose Save As or save a copy in newer versions. Select the location where you want to save your file. From the Save As Type drop-down menu, choose CSV, delimited, star.csv. Click Save. The next method is to convert Excel to CSV file by using Google Sheets. Go to Google Sheets. Click File, open Upload to upload your Excel file. Once opened, click on the file Download, separated values.csv. There are several online converter tools that can help you to convert Excel to CSV file without formatting loss. Open your web browser and open free online tool, Table Convert, by visiting https://tableconvert.com/excel-to-CSV. Upload your MS Excel file. Choose the Convert to CSV. Download the converted document. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to convert Excel to CSV file using 3 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.